Motion graphics used to take me 8 hours. Now 30 seconds. I'm not joking. I tried After Effects once. My laptop filed for divorce. But this tool changed the entire game. It's called Hera, an AI motion graphics platform that turns a single sentence into a broadcast-ready animation in seconds. No timelines, no 400 layers, no crying at 2 a.m. I've been testing it for weeks, and it's ridiculous how good this thing is. Let me show you. Here's the deal. After Effects is insanely powerful, but takes years to master. Canva is easy, but the motion looks, let's be nice and say basic. Hera sits right in the middle. Powerful enough for pro-grade graphics, simple enough to use on day one. My grandma could use this. And she still thinks the Wi-Fi lives inside the router box. Ha ha ha. Log in and the layout is clean. Everything's right where you'd expect. First, pick your format. Widescreen for YouTube, vertical for TikTok, square for Instagram. Set your duration up to 60 seconds or leave it on auto. Drop in your own photos, videos, audio, custom fonts, and even CSV files if you've got structured data. The full template library sits right at the bottom. Now here's where it gets fun. You type what you want. That's it, one sentence. If your prompt is too short, there's an Enhance button that expands it into a full cinematic description automatically. Hit Generate. Best part? No loading bar staring contest. Close the tab, go make coffee, touch grass. Hera pings you when it's done. My last tool made me watch every second load like it was a hostage situation. Ha ha ha. When you come back, the animation is polished, detailed motion, professional design choices. Feels like something a pro spent 8 hours on. Click any element and edit it directly, or tweak it with another prompt. Phone mock-up animation? Done. Animated presentation slide? Done. Everything feels cohesive. But the real star? Map animations. I asked it to show global coffee trade routes. Brazil is the top producer, lines flowing to major importers. One prompt, boom, professional map visualization. And there's a magic map style button that switches aesthetics instantly. Colorful, dark streets, satellite view in seconds. That's the kind of thing that used to cost a freelancer $200 and a week of quick revisions. Ha ha ha. Templates are another huge time saver. Want a call to action ad? Hera loads a ready-made prompt, you tweak, and you're done. The Explore section has hundreds of templates. Infographics, logos, social media ads, you name it. Swap backgrounds, colors, anything just by typing what you want. And for consistency, brand kits let you set your palette, fonts, and guidelines once, so every future animation automatically matches your brand. No more, why does our Instagram look like 3 different companies? When you're done, sharing is effortless. Send a link, save it as a template, keep it private, or make it public. Exporting lets you pick your resolution, video format, and frame rate. YouTube, TikTok, client deliverable, it's ready to go. So here's my take. Hera takes the stress out of motion graphics completely. Brand kits and map animations prove this isn't just a toy. It's a real tool with real use cases. Whether you're a solo creator, a marketer, or a small business owner, this thing pays for itself quickly. Hit the links in the description, start a free trial, and see what same evening delivery actually feels like. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest headache right now with visual content? Spending hours you don't have on every project, or avoiding it completely because the tools feel too complex? Drop it in the comments below. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next one.